Welcome back, everyone, to Hobby of the Week. This week, we're going to look at how you can start mining Bitcoin for as little as $3 using one of these guys. It is a ESP32C3 Super Mini. I'll try to get a better picture in there. It's really easy. If you want to order them from China, you can get them for about $3. On Amazon, you can get multi-packs of them that equate to about $5 each. I'll put some links down below too. But yeah, it's super easy. We're gonna dive right in. All right, so we're gonna start off with a Google search for NerdMiner. It's gonna be this GitHub page. And as we scroll down, there's some information here. Don't worry about this. You can get an ESP32 board with a screen if you want some information shown. I don't know if that takes away from the hashing power at all or pulls power away. I'm rocking these without a screen. Here's a list of the boards. I'm using the ESP32C3 Super Mini. So we're going to go to the web flasher. We're going to select our device. We're going to go NerdMiner. I'm using this Super Mini right here. Pick the most updated firmware. Now, when you go to plug it in for the very first time, I find that if you hold the boot button down while you plug it in and then let go, it helps a lot. And so we're going to connect. Oh, you have to be in Chrome to do this, by the way. I think there's another browser it supports. But you can check that previous page and it'll tell you. We're going to connect and start flashing. It goes pretty quick. It literally takes seconds. And boom, we're done. Let me go ahead and disconnect. And we're going to hook up to its Wi-Fi. All right. Once we connect to the Wi-Fi, you're going to select the Wi-Fi network you want to use, put in your pool info, add your Bitcoin address. You can add a dot and then a name, no spaces, and it'll add a name to the miner that you're specifically using. Hit save. It's going to save for a second, and once it lets go, we're good. So now, this is the second miner I'm hooking up on this pool, so we're just going to watch it for a second. It updates. There we go. It updates pretty regularly, so yep, it went from 1 to 2. We're good to go. So yeah, we're running, for a couple bucks, your chances go from 0 to not 0. They're not good. They're astronomically low, but it's still better than 0. And for literally a couple dollars to have one of these sitting there blinking, I'll show a video here too. You really can't go wrong. On that note, I'm going to give one of these away. I'll flash it, and so it's ready to hook up. All you'll have to do is put in your Wi-Fi and your Bitcoin address. Or if you just want to follow the video, that's cool too. You can reflash it yourself. But it'll be ready to rock and roll either way. You'll just have to hook to the Wi-Fi and put in whatever, or do your own thing. But 4th of July, I'll select a random person that has liked, commented, subscribed, and I think I'm gonna try to filter out people who've shared it at least once. So do all those things, and I will ship someone one of these boards for free. Until next time, thanks for hanging out and watching Hobby of the Week. Oh, and I'm hoping that next week I'm going to show off my camping setup. So look out for that. Anyway, catch you next time.